Here's a random fact you probably don't know. In the United States, the national Christmas tree in Washington, D.C. was once lit entirely by solar energy. First done in 1956, long before solar power was common. In 1956, the National Park Service partnered with engineers to conduct an energy experiment that was far ahead of its time, powering the iconic national Christmas tree using nothing but sunlight. This happened during a period when solar technology was still mostly experimental and extremely expensive. Photovoltaic cells weren't part of everyday life. They were cutting-edge research equipment. The setup involved an array of solar panels positioned near the tree, collecting daylight to charge batteries that would later power the Christmas lights each night. It wasn't a huge light display by modern standards, but symbolically, it was extraordinary. At a time when Americans saw solar energy as something almost futuristic, the project was intended to inspire curiosity about alternative energy sources and show what might one day be possible. President Dwight D. Eisenhower's administration supported the demonstration, framing it as both a holiday celebration and a technological milestone. Newspapers at the time described it as a glimpse into a future where homes and cities could harness energy from the sun, an idea that sounded almost like science fiction to many in the 1950s. The experiment didn't become an annual tradition right away, but it left a lasting legacy. It marked one of the earliest and most public uses of solar power in the United States. Today, when holiday displays across the country often include solar-powered decorations, it's interesting to remember that the very first big public example happened nearly 70 years ago, right on the White House lawn.